Hello, everyone. This is Ben Goldstein. And, for those of you that know me, you know I believe in providing 100% value to my viewers, to my readers. And tonight I'm going to be doing a tutorial on creating what I like to call a black belt signature. And I picked this up from my good friends Toby and Layla, two top recruiters in my primary business, two great people, gracious as can be. They were nice enough to share this with me, so I'm going to share this with you. Now, before we get started on your black belt signature design, it's important that you download Mozilla Firefox, 100% free, and you download WiseStamp. Now, once you have Mozilla installed, which we have here, up in the tools, you'll see there's a section called add-ons. You want to click on add-ons, and of course I already have it, so I'm not going to download this, but you'll go to get add-ons, you'll come in here, you'll type in WiseStamp, you'll do your search, and it'll pull it up, you download it. It's free, get it all taken care of, and you can continue with the tutorial. Okay, so once you have Mozilla Firefox, you have WiseStamp, what we're going to create is this signature right here. And here's what it looks like in an email. Alright, and we'll break down some parts of this that we're going to cover today. First is what I like to call the handwritten signature. I'm going to show you how to create that and make it personal to you. Of course, you've got the main contact info here, which includes a nice professional photo. It doesn't have to be a formal picture like what I've got there, but you do want a photo that's professional but also reflects your personality. What you don't want is a picture of you doing a keg stand from 20 years ago when you were in college. So get a nice photo in there, and we'll show you how to do that. But then you'll have your contact information, and then of course down here I've got my Skype information, and then I've got my Twitter, my Facebook, my LinkedIn, my YouTube. Okay, but really this is where it's at. The PS is money. This is what is going to drive endless amounts of traffic to your primary business without you having to do a thing to get it. Basically, it works psychologically. People can't help but click the PS. So that's going to be crucial to your black belt signature design. Now, in your WiseStamp, you'll notice that there's a toggle switch here for HTML. So when you click on HTML, let's close this down here. There you go. I'm going to move this over here. So I'm going to give you some value here. I'm going to give you all of this HTML code right here. All of that I'm going to put into the bottom of this blog post for you to use. I will highlight the sections that you need to change to make it personal and to make it yours, so you don't advertise me, although I wouldn't mind the free advertising. But I'm going to give you that, okay? So that's going to be yours for free. But let's go ahead and real quick just show you how to create your handwritten signature. So you're going to go to mylivesignature.com, and I already have an account here, but you're going to want to register here. Okay, register. I'm going to go ahead and log in since I'm already registered. It looks like I'm already logged in. Now we're going to create a new signature, and again I'm showing you what's free. You can, if you want to pay for it, hand draw your own signature, send it into Live Signature, and they'll make it for you. Or if you want to use a scanned image, you can do that. That costs money. I believe in value. Free, free, free. So use the signature creation wizard. So we click on that. We're going to type in a name. I guess we can type in John Smith. Okay, next step. You've got over 100 different font styles that you can use. Okay, I'm going to let you play with it. You go through it for sake of quickness through this tutorial. We're going to use font 1. Scroll down, hit next step. Again, you got 10 different sizes that you can use. Pick the one that's best for you. I'm kind of a middle of the road guy, so we'll use 5. And then next step. And then you can change the background color right here. See that? Or you can change the color of the text. Okay? Again, you play with that. Make it yours. I like it black and white. Next, you can change the slope. For those of you that typically write way sideways, there you go. For those of you that are like me and prefer just a straight signature, there you go. So we'll keep it there. We'll hit next step. You're going to want to name it. We'll just name it Test John Smith. Okay, and finish. And it says that my signature is ready. So we come up top here to use signature. We want to generate HTML code. That's what we're going to use. We want to generate for our handwritten signature right here. So click on that. And we're going to use test John Smith. I've got a couple tests in there. Okay, and generate code. And there you go. So once you have this code, you're going to want to copy and paste this to Notepad. Okay? Do not copy and paste HTML into Word or into any other word processing program. Something technical about the way it talks to the HTML, I don't know, I'm not a techie. Use Notepad. Make it simple for you, okay? And then you'll want to file, save as, name it, put it in the folder you want, and remember where it's at, okay? Once you have that, let's close this down, close this down. You can put that code in here. You just copy and paste, and you will have your signature so that when you look here, you'll have all of your information. Okay? So in the next video, we're going to talk about how to get your picture in there. And then in the third video, we're going to talk about how to use this signature in your blog, in your autoresponder, in your emails, if you use Gmail or you use Microsoft Outlook. We're going to show you how to use this signature, where to use this signature, and how to really, really set yourself apart from everyone else that's out there. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to copy and paste the code that I provide into your notepad so you can make all the changes. If you have any questions, you can call me directly. My phone number is actually in my signature, which is at the bottom of this blog post, ironically. Email me, call me, whatever it is you need to do to get a hold of me. I'm more than happy to help you. I look forward to your success and wish you all the best. Thanks and have a great night.